Academic spinoffs. Academic institutions, higher educational institutions of excellence, and then universities are the incubators for innovation. They are the ones who give new products, new services to the society. They come up with these kind of institutions, but this institution, if it has to come to reality, it requires a firm which already has a production process, and then it can take it to this community through its marketing leads. But approaching a firm is not easy for an academic institution. They already have some kind of a capability constraints or deficiencies in their resources. So what they have to first do is they have to do a visioning of the product or service, try to have a knowledge flow or knowledge conversion, and then find out the production processes required for this kind of an innovation. This is to be the embodiment of the knowledge, or that has to be integrated into a consulting and a new technology which is already competing in the market. With all this pros and cons being evaluated, then only the academic institution can project its innovation as a patent or as a publication and then take it to the market. But reaching the firm is not as easy as we think. There needs to be a technology transfer office in the university which can go and contact the industry agents. Industry agents are suppliers to the industry, customers to the industry, and the funders to the industry. The industry agent is the one who can do the technical implication of the product which has been innovated. Technical implication is nothing but, what you have an idea that has to be made into a prototype. It has to go in with the production process. Then it has to find the market, and then it has to go on with the quality levels at which it has to be manufactured. Then there is a social implication that is to be handled by the industry agent. If there is a lot of problems in the society, like for example an epidemic or a cataclysm, or you have immigrant flow, or there's digitalization that has happened in your economy, or there's a poverty alleviation going on. So all these things impact your economy and the market. So based on this, the commercialization has to be done. Once there is a technical implication balance and the social implication balance, then the TTO can approach the funding organization and ask them to coordinate with the entrepreneur. The entrepreneur will not put his money. He will first see the managerial implications, whether it is really an innovation and whether he can take a risk of doing this product, or is there an autonomy in carrying on with this activity, and there is no hiccups because of patenting or publications which is going to stop him in the later run. And then how much of a risk taking he can do on this. All these things he will see, and then he will facilitate his business managers to coordinate for taking up the spin-off. Okay. Spinning off an idea into a reality and making it possible has a big lifeline. This can be taken up only with a lot of balancing between the technical implications, the social implications, and the managerial implications. We'll see further in the next sessions.